To create tracing letter in Canva, I have my documents open. You should have yours also. And I'm going to come over to text box here and I'll add a text box. From here, let's write our first letter, which is A. And we're going to increase that size. Let's make the size bigger. Let's click out and we have our A here. I will collapse this. I'm just going to duplicate this text box and make other letters too. And duplicate. I will bring this in a bit and bring this one in a bit, and I'll select everything and I will come over to position, make it center middle and space it evenly. Now I'm going to come into this one and change this to B, and I will change this to C. Now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to select all three text boxes and I will come over to fonts here and I will come to the search bar of my font and type KG. You will see this font that says KG Primary Dots. You want to click on that and we have our letters as tracing letters now in our design.